then you like over anticipate it, you mean? How come the boys didn't come out today? Oh damn. I see. Woo! Ooh, I puddle clipped on that left rock. That was fine though, just slid right off of it. I just say, God, take the wheel. Oh damn, I followed you. Later on, you're gonna have to text me the names of all these trails in order, so when I edit the video, I can put it together. Put some music behind it. Ooh, we got a bit wobbly there. Oh, my pedal clipped. Had a bad line. Yeah, I'm good. I didn't fall. Stayed on it. That is